Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by your to-do list or wished there were more hours in the day, now you're in the right place. In this video, I will share 5 powerful tips to help you master time management and unlock your productivity potential. Now, let us dive in. This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping, your go-to app for all your daily needs, essentials, and favorite items at unbeatable prices. Save money by shopping conveniently from your phone. Check out the app link in the video description and start saving today. Before we get into the tips, let us talk about why time management is so important. It boosts your productivity, helps you reduce stress, and keeps you focused on achieving your goals. When you manage your time effectively, you're not just working harder, you're working smarter. The first tip is to prioritize your tasks. A great tool for this is the Eisenhower matrix, which helps you categorize tasks as urgent, important, both, or neither. By focusing on high impact tasks first, you will make the most of your time and energy. The second tip is to plan your day. Start by using a planner or a digital calendar to schedule tasks. Break your day into focused time blocks to maintain momentum and avoid getting overwhelmed. Tip number 3 is to avoid multitasking. Contrary to the popular belief, multitasking often reduces efficiency and increases errors. Instead, focus on one task at a time to ensure you complete it thoroughly and effectively. The fourth tip is to eliminate distractions. Turn off unnecessary notifications and, if possible, create a dedicated workspace that minimizes interruptions. A focused environment leads to better results. Finally, tip number 5, take regular breaks. The Pomodoro technique is a fantastic method where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. Breaks refresh your mind and keep you from burning out. Now, let us quickly recap the 5 tips for mastering time management. Prioritize your tasks, plan your day, avoid multitasking, eliminate distractions, and take regular breaks. With these strategies, you will be on your way to take control of your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips. I would also love to hear from you. What is your favorite time management strategy? So let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.